Hello guys, and welcome to this section. My name is AC Martin. I'm a crypto enthusiast. In previous lecture, I showed us how to deposit money into your Luno account with credit card or debit card. So in this section, I'm going to show us how to buy crypto in Luno. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the course. So click on wallet. When you log into your Luno account, you see this is the money we deposited initially. So I want to buy Ethereum. You can add more crypto from here where they have Bitcoin cards, they have Litecoin, they have Ripple. So I'm interested in these three, BTC and Ethereum, these two rather. So click on Ethereum, then you say buy. We are buying Ethereum. So click on buy. What are you buying Ethereum with? Are you buying Ethereum with BTC or your local currency wallet? So we are buying with our local currency wallet using Naira wallet. So click on Naira wallet. How much are you buying? We're going to buy max. So we are buying max. Click on max. If you don't want to buy max, you can set it. Okay, I want to buy 20 Naira, but right now we are buying max. So click on max and click on next. So once you click on next, you see it says you receive 0.084 Ethereum. Service charge is 0.0017. That's the gas charge. So click on confirm to confirm this transaction. Click on confirm. I'm going to enter my Luno key to confirm this transaction. Okay, so I bought Ethereum. The transaction is on. So that is the simplest method to use. So having showed you how to buy crypto in Luno, our next lecture I'm going to show us how to deposit your crypto, the crypto you bought, into your Trust wallet. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I post the fresh content on this channel. Leave a comment, like us, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye for now.